Welcome, friends. Guess the place challenge. Can you crack the emoji code before the timer runs out? Before starting, please subscribe to Maham Crafty channel for more exciting quizzes. Hint: famous Iron Tower of France. This is the right answer. Eiffel Tower, Paris. Hint: Royal Mausoleum in India. That's the correct answer. Taj Mahal, Agra. Hint: holiest site of Muslims. You got it right. Masjid al-Haram, Makkah. Hint: world's longest wall, China. Absolutely correct. Great Wall of China. Hint: ancient pharaohs' pyramids. Perfect answer. Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. Hint: symbol of freedom in New York. Yes, that's right. Statue of Liberty, New York City. Hint: famous sights of London. Correct. Answer: London, Big Ben, London Eye, Westminster. Hint: modern Japanese city with tall towers. Bingo. Tokyo, Japan. Hint: world-famous opera house in Australia. Spot on. Sydney Opera House, Sydney. Hint: ancient Roman arena. Well done. That's the answer. Colosseum, Rome. Hint: ancient Inca mountain city. Well done. That's the answer. Machu Picchu, Peru. Hint: huge waterfall between two countries. You nailed it. Niagara Falls, Canada, USA. Hint: rock-carved ancient city. – 100% correct. Petra, Jordan. Hint: iconic bridge of San Francisco. That's the truth. Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco. Hint: Foz Natural Canyon. Right on target. Grand Canyon, Arizona, USA. Hint: world's highest mountain. Exactly right. Mount Everest, Nepal/China border. Hint: Russian Kremlin and Red Square. That's the one. Kremlin and Red Square, Moscow. Hint: ancient temple in the jungle. You guess it. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Hint. World's largest art museum. Right choice. Louvre Museum, Paris. Hint. Historic North African desert city. True answer. Marrakesh, Morocco. Hint. Ancient imperial palace of Japan. Great job. That's correct. Kyoto Imperial Palace, Japan. Hint. Famous clock tower in England. This is the right answer. Big Ben, London. Hint. Popular honeymoon islands in the Indian Ocean. That's the correct answer. Maldives. Hint. Historic rock city in Saudi Arabia. You got it right. Alula, Madain Saleh, Saudi Arabia. Hint. Fairy tale castle in Germany. Absolutely correct. Neuschwanstein Castle, Germany.
Thanks for watching.